be your boyfriend.
Oh,
You want to be my
okay.
boyfriend? Wait, you
Marah,
need to
YB.
ask someone first.
Oh!
You want to be the pacar?
Okay.
Okay, let's go the pacar. Alright, kita
Okay.
Tunggu jemput. YB, saya
You tak payah cek. Okay. Kita nak tunjuk.
Silakan. Kita berikan tepukan.
Ingat tak, dia rupanya ada. Hi YB.
Apa khabar
Say hi.
YB?
Alhamdulillah.
It's good to be back in Singapore.
Yes, welcome back. Ada tak dia orang tanya? Dia nak caras you. Dia nak caras you. Yang baju merah tu.
Mana yang nak cara?
Now you ask Bella again.
mana?
Oh, friend
Again,
of
again.
partner is here. Dah takut kan?
Apa? Saya tidak perlu takut. I trust Bella.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Sweet tak? Sweet tak? Sweet kan?
Okay, sebenarnya